The new generation AMG C 4MATIC station wagon is based on the new Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Its front face has been replaced with the iconic flat waterfall front grille of the AMG family. The interior is decorated with chrome-plated panels and matches the exclusive design. You will be able to recognize the AMG logo at a glance, which makes it look more eye-catching. The lower part of the front fascia of the new car is equipped with an exaggerated subframe and sports air intake, further optimizing the aerodynamic performance of the vehicle. The upper part is equipped with a thin light strip in the shape of a fold line, used in lighting, full LED light source, and equipped with functions such as adaptive high and low beams and automatic headlights. The visual effect is more perfect. In terms of body size, the length, width and height of this model are 4,787 by 1,824 by 1,469 mm, respectively, and the wheelbase is 2,865 mm. Body data has been significantly improved over the previous generation model. The car is equipped with the latest large-sized, dense spoke wheels from the AMG family on the side of the body, and there is a new turbo electrified logo on the front fender. This also means that the car will use a new set of tires. The rear of the car undoubtedly has the best visibility of the station wagon. Although the car lacks some sporty temperament compared to the sedan version, there are many sports decorations in details such as the rear perimeter of the car. It is equipped with a total of 4 edges. In the middle of the exhaust setup is a brand new black diffuser that looks quite impressive. In addition, the shape design of the taillight cluster resembles headlights, and the densely arranged light cluster modules inside are extremely recognizable. The interior design of the new generation AMG C 4MATIC station wagon is not much different from the new Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The entire vehicle has a black interior with red stitching and sportier carbon fiber material. The decoration added to the details, red seat belts, suede steering wheel and the special AMG logo and other elements take the sporty atmosphere of the entire cockpit to a new level. The interior of the new car has been upgraded to a flat-bottomed AMG sports steering wheel with perforated holes on both sides. There are also large gear shift paddles at the back. In addition, various AMG-specific screens and functions have been added to the new car's MBUX infotainment system. The interior seats of the new model are covered with a mixture of leather and suede materials. In terms of functions, it includes electric adjustment of the main and passenger seats, heating of the front seats, electric memory of the front seats, etc. It supports. The front row of the car is equipped with AMG integrated sports seats. The seat surface adapts to the human body and the wide side wings can hug the user's body tightly. However, the padding inside the seat is relatively hard and its comfort is average. The rear seats of the new car also have a sporty design with prominent recesses on both sides. There is an independent headrest that can be lifted in any position. However, there are noticeable bulges in the middle seat and in the middle of the floor. The new generation AMG C is powered by a 2.0T plus 48V mild hybrid system. The engine uses F1's electronic turbocharging technology for the first time, which can significantly reduce the engine's maximum output power. It has 408 horsepower and a maximum torque of 500 Nm. The 48V mild hybrid system also has an official acceleration time from 0 to 100 km per hour of 4.8 seconds. In terms of transmission system, the engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic manual transmission and the vehicle is equipped with a full-time 4-wheel drive system.